Good evening, everyone. This is Tony LaPorta with simplerfutures.com. This is the free video for payroll Friday, August the 5th. And what I'm going to show you is a couple of treasury charts, the bond chart and the note chart. And I've always been in the camp where I love when the long end leads, the long end being this market here, ZBU, that stands for the 30-year treasury bond. And if you just look at the state of this recovery after the early week sell-off, you see this is the Monday high and this is the Friday high, and you can see how this treasury bond has gotten, I mean, what do we want to call it, maybe 61.8% back, kind of between 61.8 and 79%. It doesn't matter, just look at where the recovery has come to. The recovery has come back up maybe 2/3 of the way back up. But look at the treasury notes here. The treasury notes are back up, testing this week's highs and last week's highs. So the treasury notes are leading. And I prefer when the treasury bonds lead. So that's telling me that you want to be short this market, and that's telling me to look for a big number tomorrow. I'm going to put out some sort of greater than expected number, up close to 300,000. I think this economy is ready to burst out at the seams and head a lot higher. And I put on an options trade, my first options trade in years. I put on an options trade this morning to take advantage of a big number tomorrow. So I have a small risk, hopefully a high reward, and that's what it's going to be. But like I said, the bond market, the 30-year, is telling me to look for lower prices, and that's what I'm going to do. So that's about all I have. This is Tony LaPorta with Simpler Futures, signing off.